In this quick and easy video, I'm going to show you how to sum a column here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a data and you want to summarize all of the numbers that you see on your spreadsheet, here's how you can do it. For example, if I wanted to get the total cost for my data right here, what I'm going to do is to use the sum function. Now I can start off with equal sign, type in sum, select it right there, and we have our syntax, which is our values. So we can enter our values one by one. You can have that in 18,000, 20,000, 10,000, and so on. If you press enter, it will summarize everything. But to make it more efficient, what we can do instead of typing those one by one would be to select that range right here. If I select it, you'll see that I have a preview of what the result will be, which would be a 0. Now what happened is, this column right here is now formatted into a number. It's actually formatted into a text. Now we can check that by going to our format right here, select our number, and right now what's checked is our plain text right here. If we go to our number, there we have it. Once we've changed the format into a number, it has given us this total right here. If we format this into a currency, it will also format our total into a currency. There you have it. Now let's say this data is constantly being updated. And if I were to add another amount right here, there you go. It doesn't change your total because our range is only up to D23 right here. So what we can do instead would be to change our cell reference. Let's try with our next column right here, which is our sales. If I were to get the sum, there we go, of our total sales, what I'm going to do is to just click on the column right here, which will reference to the entire column. So if we were to add any new data, it will update our total. Press enter. There you have it. If I were to put it in currency, that is what it's going to look like. And if I were to add another amount right here, let's say 20,000, press enter, you'll see that our data has also been updated. And there you have it. And finally, if you just want to see a total for that column without doing any formulas, what you can do is to just select that range like so, and you will see a total at the bottom right corner right here, where it will say the sum and more. So we have the sum, average, min, max, count, and count numbers. So if you click this, it will automatically show that total at the bottom right corner every time you select a range. If I were to do this as well, you'll see that this matches our total right here, and it will be the same with this one. And there you have it. So 3 easy ways on how you can sum a column here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.